Okay, here we have a Jet GHB 1340A 230 volt, and we have it powered up to show you that it does operate. And we're just going to pull out the stop here. Green light goes on. Here's your jog. We checked all the speeds and all the functions on here. Everything works very nicely. We have it currently set on a low speed for demonstration purposes. You got all this paper and cosmoline still on all the bare metal parts with some lubricant. Okay, here's your lead screws. This is your on and off shaft right here. It's just slightly bent. It doesn't affect the operation of the machine whatsoever at all. So we'll come over here and we'll go forward here. So your cross slide dial right here. Turn it off for a minute. Go in the opposite direction. Again, we'll do this. You see, this dial turns to your cross slide. This is for your longitudinal feed. And what we'll do is we'll get that in gear. So you can see the apron does move, moves very nicely. We'll go ahead and turn that off for a second. We'll go in the opposite direction. So it includes a steady and a follow rest. There's a tail stock. Everything on it operates very nicely. We'll back off on that. Turn the machine off. Now all the handles here for the controls, they still operate. However, the handles are missing on here. So you're going to have to get a whole set of handles for this unit. That includes everything on the apron here, as far as your cross slide and your longitudinal feed, and your tail stock, and of course all your controls. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 handles missing there. Other than that, it's in very good condition. Very clean, unused. And as we said, we tested all the functions on here, and all the functions appear to operate. There's no other damage other than the on-off rod is just a little bit bent. As you stated, it still has the paper and cosmoline on it, the lubricant, keep the unpainted parts from corroding. Also